In this video, I am going to show you how you can troubleshoot if you are having an issue finding the right property. Let me give you an example. Here is our organization schema from schema.org and here is the zoo schema from schema.org. There is a property called opening hours which is available for the zoo but which is not available for organization. So given this scenario, let's try to create this issue. So if we select this organization and then we click on this drop down, these property ID values are populated according to this selection. So right now all these properties are related to organization. So if we try to find opening hours, it is not available for this organization schema. Okay, but now if we try to make it a zoo and then try to find opening hours, it will not show up. The reason is that these properties are fetched once you click on this toggle. So if we just close this out and then re-click on it, it should have opening hours and or the other property IDs from the zoo. So this way you can troubleshoot if you are not seeing your property ID in the drop down. You can just click on it, this toggle, and then reopen it and it will start populating according to this zoo or whatever schema that you have selected. Another relevant scenario is that for instance let's try to add another property and role of person like this place. So let's try to add this geo intersects and let's try to add this one for the zoo, and this should be a place schema, right? But instead of selecting this, I'm just leaving it as is it. So once I click on this hairstyle and I try to reopen it, it says it does not have any results. The reason is that this property ID is trying to fetch the properties of this schema item as schema type. So to populate the properties of a place, we'll need to select over here a place, but since these are populated with this trigger, so we will have to click on this toggle again and then reopen it, and it will start showing all the properties for this schema type place. I hope this will help you find the right property ID for your right schema type. Please reach out to support if you have any problem or if you experience any other issue, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching and thank you for using a USchema plugin.